Setting up a manufacturing plant in Turkey's prime industrial zones has become incredibly expensive. In prime locations like Izmir's Kemalpaşa OSB, free market land prices are currently hitting 16,000 lira per square meter. You can bypass those open market rates by utilizing the state's official allocation system, which offers the exact same prime land at a 20 to 30% discount. This process runs through the E-Devlet portal. It serves as a highly competitive back channel that requires a specific strategy to navigate successfully. To enter this channel, you need 3 things ready: active E-Devlet access, a fully registered official company, and a highly detailed project definition. Success in this market depends on viewing the acquisition as a strategic bureaucratic operation, where your level of preparation directly dictates the final price tag. To find these opportunities, you must monitor OSB UK, the OSB Supreme Organization. They act as the central authority for every new land release announcement across Turkey. Once an announcement is live, evaluate the zone's true value using the ÜBYE Investment Index. This tool provides an objective score for an industrial zone's competitive advantage. This animated scorecard calculates a rating out of 100. Logistics carries a 15% weight, while allocation price and export power contribute 10%. In testing, Kemalpaşa OSB, KOSBİ, achieves a high score, driven by a $2.9 billion export volume and major transit proximity. These transit links are a primary strength. KOSBİ is bordered directly by the Izmir-Istanbul highway, providing immediate access for logistics and distribution. However, this logistical strength creates high demand. KOSBİ is already at 60% capacity, meaning the limited land supply creates fierce competition for every available plot. Applying the ÜBYE methodology ensures you avoid zones with poor infrastructure or oversaturation, allowing you to focus resources where the operational ROI is highest. Before submitting your application, you must determine which type of land claim is being offered in the OSBK announcement. A Tahsis refers to a direct allocation. This is a specific pre-drawn parcel of land with finalized exact boundaries. This comparison shows the difference. While a Tahsis is an individual plot, an untahsis, seen on the right, is a pre-allocation for a general area within an expansion zone. The specific parcel boundaries are determined later in the process. Both claims require a rigorous documentation package. You must provide environmental impact permits, concrete proof of financing, and a detailed business plan. Selecting the right claim type and submitting a flawless dossier are the baseline requirements. Any missing or incomplete information results in an immediate rejection. Many applicants assume that speed is the deciding factor, but the first-come, first-served rule does not apply here. Instead, every application is reviewed by the Entrepreneurial Committee. They use a strict merit-based point system to prioritize projects that contribute the most to the regional economy. To win the allocation, you need to maximize your score with specific point boosters. High employment projections and the integration of advanced manufacturing processes are 2 of the strongest ways to climb the rankings. The committee also grants a massive point multiplier to projects that generate high export volumes, as these facilities bring in essential foreign currency. You can further differentiate your application by including green initiatives, such as wastewater recovery systems or renewable energy usage in your facility design. A winning application reframes the project as an indispensable asset to the country's national economic and environmental goals, moving far beyond the scope of simple domestic production. Once your strategy is finalized, you will log in to E-Devlet and access the MEYDIP platform to begin the final execution phase. Timing is critical. You have a strict 3-week window from the date of the OSB UK announcement to upload your complete optimized dossier. After the deadline, the highest scoring applications move into the final lottery or tender phase to officially secure the land. This chart shows the financial result of a successful application for a 5,000 square meter plot in KOSBİ. The open market price is roughly 75 million lira, but the state allocation price is just 63 million. That represents a 12 million lira saving. By mastering this state system, you secure a massive competitive advantage and significant capital savings from the first day of your venture.